Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to transfer money internationally with ABN AMRO app. Before you begin, check whether the country you are sending money to is part of the SEPA region and whether you are sending euros or another currency. Different countries and currencies may have different requirements and fees. First, open the ABN AMRO app and log into your account. Once you are signed in, go to the Payments section. Scroll down and tap More Payment Actions. Now select Transfer Outside SEPA. You will be redirected to the online payment environment. Next, enter the beneficiary's details. Type the recipient's full name, select the destination country, and enter the recipient's account number. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, fill in any additional information required for the transfer. Depending on the country, you may need to provide a BIC code, a BCC code, or other banking details. Make sure all information is entered correctly to avoid delays. Now choose how the transfer fees will be handled. You can choose to share the costs with the recipient, pay all the costs yourself, or have the recipient pay the costs. Select the option that best suits your needs. Once you have reviewed all the details, tap Send Now. You will then be asked to confirm the transfer using the ABN AMRO app or another available authentication method. After successful confirmation, your international transfer will be submitted for processing. You can monitor the payment status in your transaction history within the ABN AMRO app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.